बड़े मजबूत हैं मेरे कंधे.
The talented director Deepa Mehta is back with another hard-hitting social drama, Videsh, Heaven on Earth, starring the gorgeous Preeti Zinta and introducing Vansh Bhardwaj. The film has been produced by the renowned banner BR Films. The entire cast and crew of the film addressed the media through a press conference.
Deepa called me up and offered me Heaven on Earth, Videsh, sorry. She offered me the movie. I think it's a huge departure from what I've done in the past, not just because it's an Indian role, but in terms of the depth of the character, in terms of how I went forward with it. It's vulnerable. It's a full-bodied role if you look at it. She's very spirited, she's vulnerable, but it works on different levels. It's almost like an onion peel zone, because there's also a very strong power of the mind element in this film, which is the imagination. So I think for me, this is a film I would personally want every woman to go and see.
I have seen Videsh, Heaven on Earth, and I think it's a beautiful film, and definitely a film which I would like to have my name on. See, I don't like to have my name because my name is more important than my name is my father's name. I don't want to have my name on a film which I would not be proud of. Heaven on Earth is a film I'm proud of. And that's the reason why I back it.
Videsh, Heaven on Earth has already released in Canada to an overwhelming response. Preeti has also won the Best Actress Award at the Chicago Film Festival and has been nominated for the 29th Genie Award.
Well, an actor likes to be appreciated anywhere. It doesn't matter which boundary, which culture. For your craft, you would like to be appreciated any and everywhere, so of course. But it felt really special to have the screening in Toronto, because I think your first time is always the one that really does it for you. You know, after that you get used to it. So I think the screening in Toronto, where this lady, forgive me, I forgot her name, but she's a very famous American actress. She's about in her 70s. She came out to me and she just caught my shoulders and she says, "Where have you been hiding all these years? You're such a great talent out of India." And I just went, "Beam." But it was nice to see how the Western audiences were reacting. But I think eventually, to me, the final stamp of approval will be if the film works.
Preeti, what really interested you about this film, and how was the working experience with a female director like Deepa Mehta?
I'd like to take the gender out of it, because a director is a director. Someone that can look inside your soul will probably extract a better performance out of you. Someone who cannot look inside your soul will probably bring out a more superficial performance out of you. So Deepa is an exceptionally gifted director. I think you will see that when you see this film. You don't need to see that with her, but with me you will see that. How much of a difference she made to me as an actor. She's very instinctive and she's very sharp. If you think about something else, she catches you there and then. She gave me a lot of love, and there were times when I needed to be left alone. She left me alone. So where a director is concerned, it didn't matter to me if it was someone male or female. It just was that she's a taskmaster also. But she's the only one who gave me Saturday, Sundays as holidays. So I love her.
The film is about domestic violence. It's a story of a young woman who leaves her home and family behind to build a new life in Canada. Let's find out more about the film.
I think विदेश हेवन ऑन अर्थ एक कहानी है एक लड़की चांद की जो कि अपना घर छोड़ के शी गोज़ टू कनाडा एक अरेंज मैरिज में वहाँ जाके एक ऐसे आदमी के साथ उसकी अरेंज मैरिज होती है जिससे उसने कभी देखा नहीं है जिसके बारे में कुछ जानती नहीं है एंड इट इज़ हर स्टोरी अबाउट self-discovery, about living in Canada and a lot more things. But if you really want to know more about the movie, then you should go to the theatres on 27th March because Videsh is releasing on 27th March.
Deepa, it has been said that this film is more or less like Aishwarya Rai's film Provoked. What do you have to say?
Videsh is not at all like Provoked. I've seen Provoked, and I think the difference is that they're different stories. It's like saying it's like saying all love stories are the same. They're not, you know. And yes, there is a part of Videsh which is about abuse, but Videsh is, for me, a film about what it's like for working class immigrants to leave their country, everything that they're familiar with, leave their milieu, leave their extended families, specifically in this case, young women who come from tiny towns and villages in India, go to Canada to get married and have no support system at all. And the canvas of Videsh is immigration and the isolation of immigration. You know, abuse doesn't exist by itself. It has a social context. And the context of Videsh is very different from that of Provoked.
Preeti, what message would you like to give to the audiences by this film?
My message to anyone who goes through abuse is that you're not alone. Please come out. If you have an issue, please come out and not just talk about it, but do something about it. And eventually, it doesn't matter if you have any external people out there to help you. You are the only one who can save yourself, and you're the only one who can drown yourself. So the choice is yours, and I think that's what's Chand's choice in the film.
Bollywood Hungama News Network.